yesterday we got the black Type R tuned. It's pretty freaking quick, if I'm being completely honest. And today, Bobby and I are gonna go take that thing out and go for a quick little rip. I wanna get her reaction. She has no idea what kind of power it made. I don't think she even knows I had it tuned. And she definitely does not know that she's got rolling anti-lag on that car.
I watched your YouTube video.
Do you like that bumper?
It's so shitty.
Yes. Well, all right, pick your car.
I choose Type R. Ooh. Type R, please. This is my first time in the Type R. I've been slacking on Yeah, it is.
And it shoots guns.
Shoots guns. Why does it smell like that? It smells a little spicy.
It is spicy. It's got the BBR spice on her.
We love that. BBR spice.
Like that. Watch. I'll take my foot off the gas. It matches your downshift automatically.
How does it do that? Get in the left lane.
And runner.
It actually has a decent sized trunk.
Yes, here you go.
I don't like how the parking brake is working.
It works. You just have to know how to use it. You push it down to set it, pull it up to there, take it off.
Oh.
I think. Oh, well, it's set now.
Whoa. Okay, now what?
Let me teach you the most important thing of this car. So rev it up to about 3K. Okay, first gear, clutch in. First gear, 3K. And now hit the cancel button. Hammer down all the way. Hammer down.
So stupid.
Stupid?
I mean, it's something I can appreciate, but it's nothing I'd ever want in my car.
I was gonna do anti-lag in your STI.
It's completely fine. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, okay. Well, go for a quick rip.
Okay, how do I
See.
turn that off?
Pull up. Brake on. No, push down.
Whoa, it lifted my toe.
Yes.
What the hell? This thing is weird. Whoa, this is weird. Whoa, why does it shift like that?
Oh, that's flat foot.
What do you...
So if you have your foot on the gas pedal all the way and you push in the clutch, it'll hold it at that RPM.
Yeah, I was holding it.
Yeah.
How is that like something it does that like?
No. But downshift? Downshift again?
Like downshift again?
Yep.
This thing is weird. How'd you do that?
That's stock on these.
It is?
Yeah. The flat foot's not. The anti-lag's obviously not. But the auto match, the auto rev downshift thingy mabobber,
Yeah.
that's stock.
That's cool because I always do that anyways.
Now rip it.
That's funny. I wish I didn't do that though, so I could get the full effect.
Yes. If Honda made this an all-wheel drive, this would outsell every STI and every Evo in the world.
I agree.
Guaranteed.
Yeah.
But they fucked up and made it front-wheel drive.
Sma.
The interior's nicer. They make more power with bolt-ons. This makes more power than like a bolt-on Eva.
Really?
Pretty good, huh? 330 Mustang, so it's
Why
like,
wouldn't they make this all-wheel drive? What the hell, Honda?
I don't know. Do you like it though?
I love it. I love it, and I would take it. Does the white one downshift, like, is it the same?
It's not fast. It's stock.
That's okay. Are you gonna let me drive either of them?
You're driving one right now.
No, like, to the coffee stand.
You're driving the black one right now to the coffee stand right now to deliver your milk.
As a daily.
Oh,
What's my
that,
boy doing with his ice?
that girl right there, it looks like Kim Kardashian's boyfriend, and you just stalled it. Are you alright?
You're not supposed to tell people I just stole it.
Alright. As punishment, you gotta do a rip.
It just freaking... It's weird.
You might want to turn your lights on, my friend.
Stop calling me your new friend. Are they on?
No. There you go. Quite nice.
Yeah, my friend.
Alright, third gear. Go a little higher RPM. like roll races.
Oh, I see.
So Annie Leg builds boost. This thing builds like 15 pounds
Okay.
on Annie Leg, which is a lot for a stock ass car. I'd say brake stuff, but I like to break stuff.
Yes, that makes sense. I don't think that'll ever be happening to me, honestly. It's so weird that it downshifts. Like,
And revs for you.
yeah, rev matches.
Feel free to do some Annie Leg at the stoplight.
I'm good, babe. I really, you know.
But just for future reference, you just have to hit the cancel button.
That's hilarious. Hey, this guy's cutting me off. Son of a bitch. No, it wasn't even full throttle.
You go faster than I do in this thing.
That's a lie. That is such a lie. But I didn't have the clutch in when you did that.
It's okay. You're neutral.
No, I was in neutral. Oh, you put me in third gear. I can go faster than that. I wasn't even full throttling it. I just don't like it when it skids around.
Do it at 6,000 RPM.
6,000? You said 30.
6,000 today.
Okay, so start it. Can I do a practice run?
Go ahead.
So I have to engage it in first gear.
More. Hit it.
Wait, I don't want to say that. That's bad. One more time.
Did she approve?
I don't think she did.
I'll have to do it again so she approves.
It's okay. She's gonna run away.